Okay, so on the assignment that deals with using Excel to find these distributions, the tables that they're using are a lot larger than what we have here. So it's going to be almost easier just to download the Excel file, because it looks like most of these are like 20 to 25 values. And then we're going to copy and paste the formulas from the template I've shared with you into this new one. Okay, and then we're going to verify that all of our sums, all of our cells are included. So you can do things like, if you want to make sure that you don't lose your way, you can copy, Control C, that top line, and then Control V so that you have it. You can also go to that original one and copy these cells, Control C, and line it up on the bottom here. That's where the mean started, Control V, and notice that it's going to have the formulas, but notice that we're going to have to fix this. It's starting to sum from F17 to F26, and we actually started at F2, and we go to F27. And then make sure that when you take the square root of the cell for variance, that is indeed F29, which it is. And then when you look at the mean, again, it's not summing from the top to the bottom. So we just want to change that to C2, and we're going all the way down to C27. And then that's fixed. But it's nice because you don't have to rewrite the formulas. When you copy and paste, you're copy and pasting the formula and not that value. So that means that if you want for the first to find the mean, just go to this, work from the second row and hit Control C. You could actually do it all the way across in one step. And then go to C2 in the new one and hit Control V, and notice that it's keeping the formulas. Okay, so we'll start with the x times px. Verify, just for peace of mind, that it is doing a2 times b2. Then grab the corner and drag it all the way down. And then I get my mean. Okay, and because we changed that sum, we're good. But our mean is now 12.254. One thing I would check, they're using 2 decimal places. I have 3. So if I wanted to, I could go up here to number and decrease the decimal by 1, but the 4 is not going to round it, so you're fine. And I need that value because remember, for the x minus mean column, I have to come up here and I have to change that to the mean that I just found. And apparently I can't hold numbers well in my head, so it's 12.25. So I want to make sure that I change that mean to the one we just found, again, because I don't want an error. And then I can just copy that formula all the way down. And then we're going to go to the x minus mean squared, grab the corner, copy that one all the way down. And you can pick one random and make sure that it's still just squaring the value found in the previous. And then for the final column, again, we're going to grab the corner and go all the way down. And then I have my variance and I have my standard deviation. Whoops. So verifying again that it's summing all of the right values. So once you do that, you can come over here, and again, it's 2 decimal places. And then the standard deviation would be 4.04. And we're good. So the ones with the technology, I would probably make sure that you practice, because I wouldn't be surprised if that's on the quiz in week 5. Because obviously the technology makes it faster. The copying and pasting might seem a little tedious, but it's still going to be faster than doing this by hand, first of all. And second of all, worrying about having to recreate that template. So let me know if you have any questions.